Okay, we are showing you a P 12.5 millimeter pixel pitch, and the panel size is 500 by 1000. And today we show you how to install the panel and how to do the maintenance. Okay, so. And here is the aluminum channel, and at the bottom there's a bracket. You can just put the whole panel in this slot. And also on the top here, here's also a slot. And this here's a ring. You can just you can pull the ring, and here is a pin. You can just fixed in the slot, aluminum slot. So the whole panel now is fixed to the bracket. It's very easy. And this side here is a handle. You can just pull this ring, and here the aluminum channel can be removed from the aluminum channel. 两样一起拉，好像是不是？You can pull the ring from the back, and also you can also do it from the front by a screwdriver or something. And here also, with a safety rope, you can just wind the rope around the aluminum channel, so that when you do the repair work and from the front side, you can avoid the whole panel falling off. For the maintenance, and you can do it from the back here. Okay, just a minute. Each LED bar has a screw here, and you can remove the screw here to detach the single LED bar. And if you detach the whole panel from the front side, okay, just a moment. 那个螺丝刀嘞，有两个人 ，you need two guys， 能塞进去好像太，可以是吧？来，那个女孩子，还有一个螺丝刀，这两个一起要。Okay, you need to insert two screwdriver and to the 插到那个环那个位置。哪一环？是这个环吗？对，后面这个环，对。Here。这里面。Yeah. Okay, two screwdriver. Insert through the LED bars and to the backside ring. Okay, and you can press at both time， 两个一起往下压。对，插到那个环里面。Okay, now you press the two rings. You pull the two rings at the same time， 两个一起往下，用力一点。不是，你手别往后放，这个就是前尾护，看一下。稍微用点力。不是，它这个扁的不太好。可以。Okay. Pull the two rings at the same time, and now the pin will remove from the aluminum channel. You see now, still there is a safety wire holding the whole panel, so it will not fall off, especially when you install the display in a very high building. So this is very helpful and very easy. And then you把这个整个板往下提一点，往上提。And now you just need to lift the whole panel upside, and the whole panel now is detached from the frame. So it's very simple and fast installation and very easy. and safe. Okay, now we put it back. 可以把它放回去了，再挂上去。Bottom and top. See. And for a large display, if you want to detach the whole panel from the middle, it's also possible.